Walking or running, two of the simplest ways to stay active and boost your health. But here is the big question: should you lace off for a quick run or stick to a leisurely walk? If you ever wondered which is better for your fitness and lifestyle, this video is for you. Today we'll break down the benefits of walking and running in a way that is easy to understand and even easier to apply to your life. Quick question before we begin: are you team walking or team running? Drop your answer in the comment section below and hit that like button if you are ready to make fitness simple and fun. Let's talk about walking. It's often overlooked because it is, well, just walking, right? But don't be fooled by its simplicity. It is a powerhouse of health. A study by the American Heart Association found that brisk walking can reduce risks of heart disease just as much as running. That is huge. Now imagine this. You are Sarah, a marketing executive with a jam-packed schedule. You don't have time for gym, but during your long break, you walk briskly for 30 minutes. That walk clears your mind, helps you hit your step goals, and burn about 150 calories. Plus, you are reducing your risk of chronic diseases without breaking a sweat, literally. Walking is also gentle on your joints. If you ever felt knee pain after a high-intensive workout, walking could be your answer. It's low impact, but still incredibly effective for weight management, heart health, and stress relief. Now let's switch gears to running, the go-to workout for those who want fast results. Did you know that running burns nearly twice as many calories per minute as walking? For example, a 155-pound person running at a moderate pace for 30 minutes can burn out 300 calories. That's like skipping dessert and morning latte. Running isn't about physical health, it's a mental game changer. Ever heard of a runner's high? That's the rush of endorphins that leaves you feeling invincible after a good run. It's like therapy, but free. Running also helps build stamina and cardiovascular health. It's perfect if you love setting measurable goals like running your first 5K or shaving seconds off your mile time. Alright, let's break it down side by side. Walking is easy on the joints, perfect for beginners, and still gives your heart and muscle a great workout. Running, on the other hand, is a time saver, burns more calories, and help you build endurance faster. Both activities boost your mood, improve heart health, and reduce stress. So the question isn't which is better, it's which works better for you. Here's how to decide. If you are pressed for time, running might be a better fit. A 20-minute jog can give you the same calorie burn as a 40-minute walk. If you are new to exercise or have joint pain, walking is a safer and smarter choice. And if you are dealing with stress, both are great. But a long walk in nature might be just what you need. Think about your goals and your lifestyle. Do you need something intense or quick, or do you prefer a slower pace that lets you unwind and enjoy the moment? But what if you don't have to choose? A hybrid approach mixing walking and running can give you the best of both worlds. Try this. Walk briskly for 3 minutes, then jog for 2. Repeat for 20 minutes. It's a simple way to build endurance while keeping things low impact. Think of it as fitness on your terms, flexible, effective, and perfect for all levels. Are you thinking of trying the hybrid approach, or do you already have a favorite? Let us know in the comment section. We would love to hear about your fitness journey. Here are some tips to get the most out of your workouts. Invest in comfortable shoes designed for walking or running to avoid injuries. Always warm up before starting and cool down afterwards. Stay hydrated, especially if you are running. Set realistic goals like walking 10,000 steps in a day or running a mile in under 10 minutes. Tracking your progress can be motivating, whether it's steps walked or miles run. Every bit adds up. Walking and running both have amazing benefits. The key is to pick what aligns with your goals and make you happy. Remember, fitness isn't about perfection, it is about consistency. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fitness insights. And as always, stay healthy. I will catch you soon.